Hi everyone, welcome back to Prakasham Tutorials. In this video, I am going to discuss about Python variables. And what is Python variable? Variable is a name which is used to refer memory location. Variables, also known as identifier, and used to hold some value. Variable names can be a group of letters and digits, but they have to begin with a letter or an underscore. Suppose, for example, the variable number is equal to 100, so number 12 is equal to 10, number underscore number is equal to 20. So in the search bar, Windows search bar, type IDLE. So click on IDLE Python 32-bit. So Python cell will be displayed on your screen. Here type the number, and after a short message a Python command prompt will be displayed. So at the Python command prompt type the program number is equal to 100, number digit. So Python variables can be a group of letters and digits. So number group of letters and digits is equal to 10, and Python variables are also used with underscore 20. So now here we have created a variable named number num12 comma underscore num. So we have assigned the values. So num is assigned to the variable as this number variable is assigned to the value 100, num12 variable is assigned to the value 10, underscore num is assigned to the value 20. This example is read or interpreted as number is assigned to value 100. Once this is done, number can be used in a statement or expression, and its value will be substituted just as a literal value can be displayed directly from the interpreter prompt in a REPL session. So without the need for print. Okay, without need for the print. So the value will be displayed from the interpreter prompt, and the interpreter prompt type number. So now here the num is assigned to the value 100. So when you type num at the interpreter prompt, press the enter button, so the value will be displayed here. So similarly num12, press the enter button and its value will be displayed on the screen 10. Similarly underscore num, press the enter button and its value displayed here without print statement. And using the print statement, the answer will be displayed on the screen. So print of num answer is equal to 100. So similarly use the print statement. Print of num12, press the enter button. So Python variables must be used as a letters and digits. Okay, and that letters and digits are, for example, num12 underscore num. So don't use starting with number. So 12 number is equal to 30, and then press the enter button. So it will display syntax errors. So Python variable must be used as a letters and digits. So don't start with number initially. So when you start with 12 number, that is a variable name, it will display syntax error. So this is the invalid syntax. So assigning values to variables in Python. Assigning values to variables in Python. So as we can see from the above example, we can use the assignment operator. That assignment operator is equal to assign a value to a variable. Suppose for example, first example, declaring and assigning a value to a variable. So that is, my variable name is YouTube underscore channel underscore name is equal within the double quotation, and its variable is assigned to the value Prakasham tutorial. So now here at the prompt type YouTube underscore channel underscore name is equal within the double quotation, and its variable is assigned to the value so Prakasham tutorials, and then press the enter key and use the print statement. Use print statement and its value displayed on the screen. So print of variable. Now here the variable is YouTube underscore channel underscore name, and then press the enter key. So the value will be displayed here, Prakasham tutorials. So in this program, in this simple program, we assign a value Prakasham tutorials to the variable. So that variable is YouTube underscore channel underscore name. Then we printed out the value assigned to YouTube underscore channel name. So that is Prakasham tutorials. So now here Prakasham tutorials is a string and declares the YouTube underscore channel underscore name variable as a string. So that is the first example. And the second example is example 2, changing the value of a variable. Changing the value of a variable. First, I will assign one value to one variable, that is YouTube underscore channel underscore name is equal Prakasham tutorials. Initially, this value is assigned to this variable, and after that I will changing this value of a variable, and again assign a new value to YouTube underscore channel underscore name. Here assign a new value inside Prakasham tutorials various easy subjects explained clearly. So that is the new value assigned to YouTube underscore channel name. So in the Python cell, YouTube underscore channel name is equal. Initially I will type Prakasham tutorials and then press the enter key. So now here in this variable this value is saved. This value is assigned. So now changing this value. So assigning a new value to YouTube channel underscore name. So now I will assign within the double quotation inside Prakasham tutorials. Various ECE subjects explained clearly. And close the double quotation and then press the enter key. So now use the print statement. Now use the print statement. So print of variable. And what is the variable name? YouTube underscore channel name. So initially we assign this YouTube underscore channel name is equal Prakasham tutorial value, and after that and the same variable is assigned to the another value. So use print statement YouTube underscore channel underscore name, press the enter button. So in place of this Prakasham tutorials values, so inside Prakasham tutorials various EC subjects explain clearly, that value will be displayed. And third example is assigning multiple values to multiple variables. Assign multiple values to multiple variables. Suppose for example at the Python prompt a comma b comma c is equal 13 140, and emtl is the string that is written within the double quotation emtl. Okay, in the command prompt type a comma b comma c is equal 13 comma 140 comma emtl. So now here variable a is assigned to the 13, variable b is assigned to 140, and c is assigned to emtl. So now is the print statement. So print of a. Okay, a value will be displayed, a is equal to 13, and print of b. B value will be displayed, b is equal to, b value is 140. So print of c variable emtl will be displayed. If we want to assign the same value to multiple variables at once, suppose for example ss is equal cs is equal dsp is equal, so within the double quotation type value, that value is Prakasham tutorials, and press the enter key and use the print statement. Print of ss. So answer is Prakasham tutorials. So print of variable cs, press the enter key. So answer is Prakasham tutorials. So print of variable name is dsp, press the enter key. Answer is Prakasham tutorials. So in this example, Prakasham tutorial string to all the three variables ss, cs and dsp. So this is the concept of Python variables.